Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your OneXBet account in Bangladesh. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next, on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50 you get $150. All you have to do is to head directly to the menu option, and then you are going to click directly on your profile icon at the top left. Then you are going to find out this section where you can find your personal information. Now, to verify your account, all you have to do is to click on enter details. Now you are going to find out more information requested by OneXBet to verify your account. So you are going to enter your middle name, you are going to enter a correct middle name, and then on the document type you are going to enter your national ID card. Then you are going to click on document series and enter the document series. So next you are going to enter your document number, which is your national identification card number, and then you are going to enter the date at which you will issue your card. Then you are going to enter who issued you the card, and then you are going to enter your TIN. Once complete, you are just going to click on save. This will complete your verification. Then OneXBet to use your personal information to complete your verification automatically, and it's as simple as that.